I need to check if a specific column exists on a specific table, and if it does, I need to perform an action. So I've got a variable, I've got a count, a piece of SQL that does a count here that returns whether the column exists on the table, and I'm going to put that result within my variable, and then I've got an if statement that says if my variable equals 1, perform an action. So if I just run this, we can see it goes to we are here. There's a lot of steps here: declaring the variable, assigning the variable, running it in the if statement. It will be easier if I could just do it in one neat routine. So if I just take my SQL, get rid of everything else up to the if statement, and I'm going to paste my SQL within the brackets of my if statement here, and I'm going to get rid of my variable. So if I just now, we can see within the brackets I've got my select statement, and I can run it separately and it returns a number 1 because my column does exist on my table. I now need to make this a proper condition. I need to add some sort of thing to make it a check. So the results of this SQL within the brackets, if it equals 1, and note this is outside of the brackets, if it equals 1, I'll just change that slightly. So now the if statement runs this SQL that's within the brackets. The condition is if it equals 1, and the response is run that select.